My name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues, and today we're going to talk about jurisdiction. Can you change the jurisdiction of your custody case? So let me paint the scenario that's the subject of this question. Let's say the parties lived in New York City, they had a divorce, they got a custody order, a judgment of divorce. All issues were handled in New York, and now a year later, mom picks up and moves to West Bloomfield, Michigan. There are now custody or parenting time or support issues that are coming up. Now the question is, where do you have it handled? I mean, on the one hand, yeah, the divorce was there, but mom lives here now and child lives here now. So that means that issues that are going to be decided for people who live here. Should Michigan be the place to handle those issues? And the answer right off the bat is no. You got to go back to the court of original jurisdiction. So theoretically, if you have issues regarding parenting time, let's say, those motions and the resolution of those motions would have to be filed and handled in New York, particularly if the other party still lives there. Now, we get into a little bit of a situation where mom has picked up and moved to West Bloomfield, Michigan, and dad lives in Little Rock, Arkansas, let's say. So he's picked up and he's left New York. You picked up and left New York. And what do we got to do? We got to file a case in New York? We got to go back to that court of original jurisdiction and nobody lives here? So in that situation, where the child has been, let's say, in Michigan for a year, so Michigan is now sort of the home state of the child, at that point in time, it would make sense to file the appropriate motions to transfer the jurisdiction to a place that's logical, a place that makes sense, and that place may well be where the child now resides, especially as it relates to issues pertaining to that child. So, are there ways to do it? Yes. If you have that situation come up, though, you're going to have to talk to your lawyer. You're going to have to ask them whether or not the requirements are met so that the jurisdiction can be changed, and then take steps to move, essentially, the jurisdiction, move the file from one jurisdiction to another so that further enforcement can be had with respect to those people. If you have any questions about that, reach out. I would be glad to help you out. If you have found this enjoyable or valuable, please like and subscribe.